subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends.
Guys, welcome back to my channel Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and in today's video I will be reviewing this book named Clifford Stories. It's Clifford's Field Day. Did you ever imagine having a puppy or a dog taller than your house or bigger than you? That would be really terrifying, right? Yeah. This story is about a little girl who has a very big dog. And people misjudge the dog. But the dog is very kind, humble, and does good things to the people. This amazing story is written by Norman Bridwell. Norman Bridwell is an American cartoonist and also the illustrator of the stories. He unfortunately died at the age of 86 due to heart failure. I love this book. It has a lot of pictures. This book is suitable for kids who are starting to read. It's a very good and adventurous book. I strongly recommend this book for people who like adventure stories. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.